The anatomy of a bird's body cavity is highly adapted for flight. It features a unique and highly efficient spatial layout. Unlike mammals, birds lack a complete diaphragm to strictly separate the thoracic and abdominal cavities. Instead, they have incomplete membranous partitions, forming a relatively open body cavity. The image shows anterior region, heart, lungs, esophagus, and the proximal part of the digestive tract. Posterior region, digestive organs, including the proventriculus, gizzard, muscular stomach, intestines, etc., occupying most of the body cavity. Liver, a large lobed organ. The common opening for digestive, urinary, and reproductive systems.